think the easiest way to do it is to make yourself familiar with the person. Start with like normal topics, for example, music, anything you like. So I like to talk about cats, for example. So cats is a good subject to start off with, and then sort of ease into the conversation rather than getting straight to the point. I think that's the best way.
From my experiences, it's a lot easier to talk about mental health with like close friends that you've known for a while. One of the main people I spoke to about it a few years ago is one of my friends that I've known since I was like 4 or 5.
I'd say it's important to like talk about your interests and stuff first, so you get to know the person, so you feel more comfortable around them. So like talk about your hobbies, stuff you do in your free time, and different stuff like that.
Bring it in via things that people enjoy, people like doing, and eventually sort of getting to know what they like and interpreting mental health through those sort of subjects. You've also got the sort of style of approaching it by doing things like public talking, communicating the topic of what it is to the general public, as much as it is being normalised in this day and age, to normalise it even more.
I think if it gets brought up into like education in a way, that a lot of people will be more open to talking to people in schools more than anything. Because in schools you're taught, oh, you can talk to someone, but you're not really educated in it. So people usually go to the internet to try and find a way to find what's going on. Just don't have the right education for it, and if we educate people, it might be easier to overcome everything, so people can come up to people and talk about it more.